Example number 3. You have 12,000 invested into accounts, a money market account that pays 2% annual interest, and a stock fund that pays 8% annual interest. Suppose that you earn $480 in interest at the end of 1 year. How much was invested in each account? So for the first column, we have two kind of account. We're going to put the money market account, and the other one will be stock fund. So money market, and the other one is stock fund. Here will be the total in the bottom. The first one is the number of units. We don't have the number of units, but we have the amount in each of account. So in accounting, it's called principal. This is the money that beginning that we have is called the principal. And then cost per pound or cost per person, in this case, will be rate. And then the principal multiplied the rate will give us equal to the interest. So we learned the formula before, P times R equal to I. Okay, so it's a T also, but we are talking about 1 year. So if T equal to 1, then it's become P times R times 1 equal to I. Okay, so let's fill out the number. So what do we have is 12,000. So that is the total money in both accounts. So we will have, is this the money from the beginning? So 12,000. We have 2% for the money market account and 8%. So it's a rate. So 2% and 8%. So we convert it into decimal. That will be 0.02. We divide by 100, okay? So we get 0.08 for 8%. And this number is 480 is that the interest. This is talking about the interest for both accounts. So we have 480 is in here. Okay? So now the question asks us how much was invested in each account. So for the money market accounts, I'm calling this M. And for the stock funds, I call it S. To find the interest from the money market account, I just multiply the rate. So 0.02 M. And to find the interest for the stock, I just multiply 0.08 times S to the rate. Now from this column and this column, we will set up the equation. So the equation will be M plus N, M plus S equal 12,000 and 0.02 M, which is the interest from money market account, plus the interest from the stock fund. It will give us the interest for the total. So we have the system of equation. Then we will solve this equation, this system. So you look at the S and the M. I'm going to use elimination. So the pairs of M, we have 1 and 0.02. The pairs of S, we have 1 and 0.08. I will eliminate the M because it's smaller. I'm going to multiply by 0.02 negative for both sides. So I will get negative 0.02 M minus 0.02 S equal negative 240. And then copy the same thing for the second one. Now we add these up, we will get M cancel out, so we get 0.06 S equal 240. And then divide by 0.06 both sides, then S will equal 4,000. So the total, the account that we have is 12,000, which is the first equation. M plus S is 12,000 to 5M, we will take the 12,000 minus the S. So 12,000 minus 4,000, the other account have to be 8,000. To do the check step, we just plug in the principal for the money market will be 8,000 and the stock fund is 4,000. The money market pay 2%, so 2% times 8,000 is 160, and 4,000 at the 8% interest rate, so that would be 320. And then you know that we total them and it's equal to matching the number 480.